Hello students, let us see the last chapter in the writing skill 3.6 group discussion. Let us read the icebreakers here. You must have discussed many things with your friends, classmates in a group. It might be about going on a picnic or selecting a gift for your for your teacher. What do you think are the benefits of a group discussion? So you have to give group discussion, formal or informal. In a general, you have to think what is the benefits of the group discussion. So you can write, can you get or you learn how to express yourself, how to express your thoughts and share them to your friends. You can also add, you also learn how to listen to others thoughts and accept them if you agree. You can also add that in a group discussion, when you have the experience of group discussion, you also come to know that the various individuals have various opinions on the same topic. So that also that is also important that you understand that the different people or different people have the different opinions on the same topic. So it makes you able to listen to them and accordingly express your thoughts also. Then next, do you think some people are right and some are wrong in a group discussion? Why? So whenever you have the group discussion, whether it is a formal or informal, in the school or in your family, with your friends or your relatives, whoever the group is, whenever you are discussing, yes, of course, you think or you come to know that the some people are right and some people are wrong. So how can you give reasons for that? Yes, of course, their opinions are different, their thoughts are different, their views are different. So maybe you feel that some people are right and some are not, because their thoughts are not acceptable sometimes. So not all people can be right always, or not all people can be wrong always. Okay, so next is what? Next activity. People have different views एंड ओपिनियंस बिकॉज. हाँ, सो ये जो हमने बोला इस आंसर में, पीपल हैव डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस. तो डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस क्यों होते हैं? डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, उसके रीजंस क्या क्या है यहाँ पे ट्री डायग्राम के ज़रिए दिया है. जोग्राफिकल रीज़न हो सकता है कि दे कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट जोग्राफिकल एरिया. कल्चरल रीज़न हो सकता है बिकॉज दे कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड. और मोर क्या हो सकता है? यू कैन ऐड अ सोशल बैकग्राउंड. सोशल setup may be the different from person to person, and you can also add individual thinking or the attitude. You can add individual thinking or attitude is also different from person to person, so it gives the different perspective to every every person. Okay, the last activity, icebreakers, is the web chart. Again, complete the web highlighting the uses of group discussion. One is done for you. Uses of group discussion. In the first activity, we had seen the benefits. Here, uses means application. How you can use the how you can how you can use the group discussion, the knowledge from the group discussion in practical way. तो एक है in job interview. इन जॉब इंटरव्यू ऑल्सो यू उसका फ़ायदा होता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन का जॉब इंटरव्यू में, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी पीपल एंड टेकिंग द इंटरव्यू ऑफ यू. और वन मोर यू कैन ऐड इन अ डिबेट ऑल्सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप यूज़फुल हो सकता है इसका ग्रुप डिस्कशन का. एंड अगेन यू कैन ऐड द फॉर्मल एग्जीक्यूटिव मीटिंग्स, मे बी गवर्नमेंटल और non-governmental, but in that executive meeting you can also add, you get the benefit from your group discussion. In this way, in different ways, the group discussion is important. And one more you can add, that sometimes you have to speak with the people at a time and you have to convince them from for a particular idea, for a particular thing. So in that way also, to convince the people for different reasons, group discussion is also it helps you a lot. It makes you the basic foundation. So group, what is group discussion? I will read here. A group discussion is a formal discussion conducted on a topic among a group of 10 or 10 to 12 participants. The participants analyze the topic from their respective angles and present their views and opinions. The group is given a topic. They contemplate on it for a few minutes and then start discussions. The discussion is usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Experts listen to the members and evaluate them. Group discussions are usually held on topics of four kinds. Factual, for example, plastics should be banned. Second, a social or political issue, for example, moral policing. C. Next type is abstract, for examples, conscience. And last is case study based, where the group discusses a case study and analyzes it or offers solutions. Group discussions are one of the effective interactive methods of classroom learning. They are used to select candidates for different courses or for jobs by employers. They are used to gauge whether a candidate possesses certain skills required for pursuing a particular course or a job that involves working in groups, giving opinions, and solve problems together to achieve common goals. The candidates are tested for their knowledge and communication skills, as well as their ability to work as a part of a group and to lead other towards conclusions and solutions. One should be able to use his understanding of a subject to give opinions on it and support his ideas with logical arguments. Some communication is a two-way process. It is important that besides speaking, one listens to the participants in the group discussion and respond to their ideas or take them forward. You can contribute to a group discussion in some of the following ways: helping it start, giving direction to it, making sure that everyone's views are heard and thought about, so that the group moves towards some kind of agreement, and closing it with a summary or a conclusion. The language of a group discussion. So whenever we have to do the group discussion in a formal way, how should you start? How should be the language? So the glimpses of examples are given here. How should be the language in the group discussion? If you are expressing your opinions, अगर आप अपने खुद के ओपिनियंस एक बता रहे हैं, शेयर कर रहे हैं, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ एज आई बिलीव. ओके, आप ऐसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, आई बिलीव, एंड आगे जो है, कुड आई मेक अ पॉइंट प्लीज, इट सीम्स टू मी, आई थिंक, and then you can add, in my opinion. So these are the some of the examples how you can express your opinion in a polite manner. Expressing agreement, when you agree with someone. ओके, जब आप किसी का पॉइंट आपको एग्री करता है, मतलब आप यू एग्री विद देम, तो आप कैसे बोलना चाहिए? एब्सोल्युटली, आई फुल्ली एग्री विथ, यू आर राइट, एक्सेट्रा. दीज आर द सम एक्सप्रेशंस. एक्सप्रेसिंग डिसएग्रीमेंट, अगर आप डिसएग्री होते हो, हर बात पे एग्री होते ही ऐसे नहीं है, डिसएग्री होते तब क्या यू कैन स्टार्ट एज आई एम अफ्रेड, आई डोंट एग्री विथ, or you can say I can see your point, but, and you can explain more how why you disagree. I respect your point of view, but I'm sorry I can't go along with you on. I'm sorry, but I see a little differently. You may have something there, but. So, in this way, you can express your disagreement with the topic along. Whatever the topic is, you can express it, explain it more. If you want to suggest something in a group discussion, you can say, I think we should, like, or let us, you can later, and you can add some more, let us do this, or let us come to the conclusion, or let us think on a different way, like that. Don't you think we could? So if you just जैसे suggest करना है, you are not doing compulsion to them, you are not forcing them. suggest करना है तो उसका language भी ऐसे ही आना चाहिए. Asking for opinion, अगर आप किसी को opinion पूछ रहे हो, what is your opinion on, and then go continue. I wonder what do you think about. So in that way, interrupting मतलब अगर कोई सामने वाला बोल रहा है एंड यू थिंक दैट इट इज़ ऑब्जेक्शनेबल, अगर वो ऑब्जेक्शनेबल बोल रहा है, जो गलत है, जो किसी के ऊपर पर्सनल अगर आ रहा है, इन दैट वे, अगर आपको इंटरप्ट करना है, उसको रोकना है, यू वांट टू स्टॉप हिम, you can say, I'm sorry to interrupt, but excuse me, could I add something please? That is true, sorry, but in this way you can interrupt the person who is speaking, and you can add very politely. Then handling interruptions, just a moment please, if you would just let me finish. अगर किसी ने आपको इंटरप्ट किया तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है, आप किसी को इंटरप्ट करते हैं या किसी ने आपको किया, तो आप क्या करेंगे उसको, कि यस जस्ट अ मोमेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश, अभी मेरा हो ही गया पॉइंट, लेट मी फिनिश प्लीज, इन दिस वे. देन कंक्लूडिंग, जब डिस्कशन एंड होता है एंड यू आर कंक्लूडिंग, सो यू कैन से टू समराइज और टू कंक्लूड, एंड यू कैन go on. Let us run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussions. So in this way, or we can conclude by saying, so here is a sample of group discussion given. Evaluator is a person who is evaluates you, who is observing you, and he is also observing all the participants in the group discussion, and then deciding who is more effective in a group. सो इस सैम्पल है, यहाँ पे पढ़ती हूँ मैं. इवेल्यूटर क्या कहता है, जो इनिशिएट करता है, डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करता है. ओके, यू हैव ऑल बीन गिवन अ फ्यू मिनट्स टू थिंक ऑन योर टॉपिक फॉर today's group discussion, which is, do you think teenagers should be given a separate mobile phone? You may now begin the discussion. Who could like to who would like to start? Manisha says, I think the topic of this discussions is very relevant to all of us here. As teenagers, we are so fond of our mobile phones and its different features that have become irresistible to us. I feel mobile phones are quite necessary. They are quite helpful for educational purpose. We can get support for their various subjects just as at the click of a button. The next participant Anamika says, I also agree with Suhasini, because nowadays people use smartphones and they can get access to any information they want, like travel information, recipes, courses, colleges, etc. John says, yes, I would like to add to it. I don't think students use the mobile phones only for seeking useful information. They use it for entertainment too. They listen to the songs, watch movies, etc. I'm afraid they see unsuitable things too. Moreover, they spend long hours on phone. Anamika says, yes, Deepak, you are absolutely right, but I think parents have made them aware to the aware of the abuses of the mobiles, and they are are mature into understand how to use the mobile phone productively. Ananya says, yes, all this is true, but don't you all agree that they do see unwanted things and waste their time in things not suitable for their age group? John says, I agree with what Manjula says, but it is a sheer wastage of time, money, and energy. Anamika says, I feel that most of the students have forgotten the basic use of mobile phones. They have to travel long distances for tuitions and for the purposes the parents can keep a track on their children. That is the main reason the why parents have given them. John says, yes, but students have become lazy. They lack concentration. They don't read books. The phone keeps ringing and disturbs them now and then. Manisha says, parents, institutions block some sites so that the students are not able to view unwanted material. The risk is there, but with advantages, there are disadvantages too. Evaluator says, all right, everyone, your time is nearly up. Could someone conclude, please? So John says, taking the points into consideration, mobile is a good and useful tool, but a time period should be allotted to the students to use the mobile so that students do not become couch potatoes. Eye problems, posture problems, psychological problems have increased. They sometimes become violent if mobile phones are taken away from them. They can use these phones, but they should be made to use them judiciously. So a conclude is a balanced saying. So whenever the group discussion is there, some people are on side of the topic, some people oppose the topic, but when you are concluding the ग्रुप डिस्कशन, यू हैव टू बैलेंस बोथ ऑफ देम. जो भी टॉपिक है उसमें बैलेंस करना है. जो साइड में है, अपोज में है, वो उसका दोनों के पॉइंट्स मिलाकर थोड़ा सा बैलेंस कंक्लूजन देना है. इस तरीके से आप ख़त्म करते हैं. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग में भी एक टॉपिक दिया है, टीनेजर्स आर मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स जंक फूड्स. तो ये इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है, ये आपको यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं आप. यू कैन ऐड योर ओपिनियंस, यू कैन थिंक ऑन द अपोजिट साइड ऑल्सो. जैसे जंक फूड लाइक करने वाला क्या सोचता हो जंक के बारे में, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस दैट, यू कैन राइट ऑन दैट. और उसके अपोज करने वाला या जंक फूड का डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है, ये सोचकर भी आप उसको ग्रुप डिस्कशन लिख सकते हैं, ऐड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे भी कुछ एक टेबल दिया है आपको, जिसमें आपको एग्री करना है या डिसएग्री करना है, येस और नो, और उसका रीज़न देना है. स्टेटमेंट्स दिए है कुछ. ओके, स्टेटमेंट्स को आपको एक तो येस की वन या एग्री है तो येस, नहीं एग्री है तो नो करना है, और जो भी है उसका रीज़न देना है. एग्री है तो क्यों एग्री है, इसका रीज़न देना है. नहीं एग्री है तो क्यों नहीं एग्री है, इसका रीज़न देना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2-3 मैं डिस्कस करती हूँ आपके साथ स्टेटमेंट्स. जिससे पहले है, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू गेस द टॉपिक फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशन, देन देयर इज़ नो नीड टू प्रिपेयर. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू गेस, हाँ पॉसिबल नहीं है टॉपिक को गेस करना ग्रुप डिस्कशन का, और प्रिपरेशन के लिए टाइम लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसा यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट है. सो आई विल से नो, आई डोंट एग्री विद दैट, क्योंकि प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमको टाइम भी होना चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक वेल, and so that you can prepare, you can speak on that very confidently. Second क्या है देखो, always have discussion with your family and friends on different topics. Yes, of course, yes, I agree with the statement कि हमको हमेशा डिस्कस करना है, बिकॉज इन आवर फ्रेंड्स, इन आवर फैमिली also there are different people having different opinions, so that we can have the habit to express our thoughts also, and to listen to them also with respect, to make them, to allow the others also to speak, so that we can develop the habit to listen. So that is the second one. I have given you the reason. One more will do. You must aim to get noticed by the evaluator. यू मस्ट एम, तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आप ये ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि इवेल्यूएटर का भी ध्यान आपकी तरफ जाना चाहिए. सो येस, आई एग्री, बिकॉज so that evaluator will also identify that your how you express, the way you express yourself, the way you express your thoughts, or the style you uh, say your opinions, etc. So that is also important. So in this way you have to fill the table. Then there are some more exercises here, more to um, एक्टिविटीज़ हियर. पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स, एक कोई पर्सनालिटी हम कहते हैं तो उसके पीछे क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ है. ट्रेट्स मतलब क्वालिटी है. तो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है और लीडरशिप स्किल्स है, उसमें और ऐड कर सकते हो आप, जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं. सो यू कैन ऐड सम मोर हियर. यहाँ पे मैच द फॉलोइंग है: डिस्कशन, आर्ग्यू, डेलिबरेट, रिट्रिएट एंड एम्फोसाइज. इसमें क्या क्या फ़र्क है, और some more examples are given here. In this way, some topics are given here for the group discussion. Okay, so here if you have any doubt you can ask me personally.